What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Well, these days power stations are everywhere, but most of them either charge too slow, can't handle serious gear, or sound like a box fan on max. But DJI Power 1000 is different. DJI, best known for drones, introduced the Power 1000 about 6 months ago and it's still standing out. It's compact, quiet, fast, and built to deliver serious output without the bulk or noise. Whether it's for creators, off grid setups, or backup needs, these things built to handle it. Okay, now let's talk about what makes a DJI Power 1000 worth talking about and why it's not just another power brick. But before I start the review, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, if you really want to support honest content, then please join channel membership.
Hey you, I know sometimes things may seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will know, my dear. Oh, I know that it's not easy, nothing is.
DJI Power 1000 follows a clean, practical design language. On the front panel, it has got two AC ports rated up to 2200 watt, two USB-A ports at 24 watt, and two USB-C ports at 140 watt each. It also features Smart DC and Smart DC Lite ports along with an AC input port. The screen gives real-time updates on battery percentage, estimated usage time, current input and output, and active ports. The interface is simple and user-friendly. There is no clutter, no mess, just clear, fast access to everything needed. Its compact build makes it easy to store, transport, and deploy in any workspace or setup. Don't let the size fool you. This power station means business. The DJI Power 1000 pushes a stable 2200 watt continuous output, enough to run induction cookers, studio lights, or other hydro equipment with zero drops. It handles spikes up to 2600 watts for 30 seconds and maxes out at 4400 watt peak. That kind of power is usually found in bigger, bulkier units. This one keeps it efficient and stable from start to finish. Whether it's being used in the field, on a set, or for essential home backup, it keeps high-powered gear running without stress. Compact form, heavyweight performance, no compromises. Power usually brings noise, but not here. The DJI Power 1000 runs at just 33 decibels, quieter than a whisper. Its smart cooling system keeps things cool without ramping up sound, ideal for shooting on set, sleeping in a tent, or working in silence. No hum, no fuss, just quiet, reliable output. Recharging the Power 1000 is fast. With AC input, it hits 80% in just 50 minutes and a full charge in 70 minutes. Flip the switch to 1200 watt mode to activate full speed intake. Everything shows up clearly on the display. It also comes with 240 watt USB-C ports, perfect for fast charging high-end laptops and tablets. The Smart DC and Smart DC Lite ports support fast, efficient bidirectional power flow. These are also designed specifically for DJI drones and gear, offering a high-speed charging for compatible models. We have been using this on the go a lot, mainly relying on the DJI Power 1000 to keep our DJI drones charged. Oh, it also supports 800 watt solar recharging and car input. Super handy. Whether working off-grid, powering up on the road, or recharging between shoots, the Power 1000 delivers consistent, fast performance across every power source. Power cuts don't have to ruin the day. The DJI Power 1000 includes a built-in UPS mode that kicks in within 12 to 20 milliseconds, fast enough to keep editing rigs, desktops, or consoles from shutting off. It provides seamless switchover, keeping important work protected and uninterrupted. The intelligent battery management system handles safety, automatically regulating voltage, current, and temperature. If something goes off balance, it steps in fast and recovers just as smoothly. Internally, it runs on LFP battery cells with a 4000 plus life cycle and 70% capacity retention after 10 years. Oh, okay, that's great. Built for daily use, built for emergencies, it's built to last. Okay, it may sound like an advertisement pitch, but flip the coin. On the other side, you can clearly understand how much I love this. How good is the performance of this DJI Power 1000? And that's what pushes me to talk about this with excitement.
It's okay.
Well, the DJI Power 1000 delivers where most portable power stations fall short. It's fast, quiet, compact, and ready for serious work. It handles heavy loads, recharges quickly, and runs quietly enough for any environment. For added flexibility, it also supports remote control through the DJI Power App when paired with the DJI Power Dongle, making it even more practical for real world workflows. Okay, if you're gonna get one of these, then you will need to make sure that your power station system is the latest one. You will need to keep it updated because DJI always pushes updates and surprises us with new features. Okay, that's all about this DJI Power 1000. No, it's not a sponsored content, so I'm not gonna say go ahead, click on my affiliate link. Actually, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you know I don't believe in affiliate links. I have never placed any affiliate links in any of my videos, so if you wanna check this product, if you wanna buy this product, go ahead, check it from anywhere, buy it from anywhere. I'm just sharing my honest opinion with you. If this video was helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. One more time, if you really want to support honest content, then please consider joining the channel membership.